If a customer experiences loss of employment during their membership term, we will pay their lien holder on their behalf for one of the following: either 3 scheduled monthly loan or lease payments due prior to a qualifying event, or upon the sale of the vehicle to a dealer loyalty protection participating dealer. We will cover the negative equity up to a maximum of $5,000. If the customer experiences loss of employment, however, their car is paid for, we do agree to pay the payment plan provider on their behalf for the following: up to a maximum total of 6 monthly payments as listed on the declarations page of this membership. Their maximum amount of all benefits payable under this membership shall not exceed $3,500. If they have less than 6 monthly payments left, the membership administrator will only cover the number of payments that are remaining. We define unemployment as the total loss of salary or wages as a result of involuntary loss of employment. The customer is eligible if they are working on a full-time basis, which means at least 30 hours per week prior to the involuntary loss of employment date. They have to file a claim within 60 days of their unemployment date, and their vehicle must be an eligible vehicle. They have to have made at least 3 loan payments and be current on all loan payments prior to the involuntary loss of employment. If a customer is currently late or behind on their payments more than 30 days, they cannot make a claim for a qualifying event benefit. A customer is entitled to a benefit if they experience self-employed personal bankruptcy by filing for personal bankruptcy and are an individual owning and operating a business or professional practice. They must have been self-employed for the 12-month period preceding the filing of bankruptcy and the 12-month period preceding the purchase of the vehicle. The bankruptcy also cannot have been dismissed within 60 days of the date it was filed. If a customer's state-issued driver's license is revoked due to a medical impairment for longer than 180 days, they are also eligible for a benefit. They must make a claim within 60 days from the date that they are notified by the state issuing authority. To be entitled for the benefit under the International Employment Transfer, the customer must have been continuously employed on a full-time basis for the 90-day period before they received a notice of International Employment Transfer. To qualify, you have to experience an international employment transfer as part of your full-time employment, and you are transferred outside of the United States for a period of not less than 24 consecutive months. Military personnel that receive a permanent change of station must not have had written or verbal notice of the transfer prior to or within the 90-day period following the effective date.